What was your first big payday?
$5 million. And it took me about $70 to create it, and I did it in about 20 days. I meet these two top realtors at WCI. I invite them out to lunch. We're on our way to Naples, Florida to have lunch. They get a phone call. They get off the phone and say, hey, do you mind if we make a quick stop? We pull into this apartment complex. What they're doing is the owner of the property has about 305 units, and they're converting them from apartments to condominiums. Asking these top realtors, how many do you want for your buyer? What do you want? We make about $150,000 per unit. Do a little research. Find out that in Florida, you have first right of refusal if you have a current lease. So what do? I draft letters that says, great news, your apartment is going to be converted to a condo. Highly suggest you do it. If you do not, I will give you $1,000 in relocation if you assign me your rights. I get hundreds of people assigning me their rights. Long story short, they call me up. What do you want? And I said, I'll take $20,000 a unit and I'll give them back to you. $5 million.